you heard about cookies? It is a combination of croissant and cookies. At ito na raw pala ang bagong trend ngayon. And this is available here in Saranda Jones All Day Bistro. Alam niyo naman, when it comes to croissant and cookies, Jones All Day Bistro is one of our go-to spots. So come and eat with me today at sabay-sabay natin tikman itong cookies. Imagine mo, pinaghalo yung dalawa kong paborito dito. Ayan, kitang-kita nyo, freshly baked pa. Jones All Day Bistro is currently offering 4 mouth-watering flavors: double choco cookie, unicorn cookie, choco chip cookie, and white choco macadamia cookie. As you can see, malaki ang serving, di tinipid as usual, at masarap. These cookies are perfect pair for our coffee. I tried all 4 flavors and they're all amazing. Nga pala, ito din ang isa sa mga restaurants sili ko talagang puntahan dahil ang ganda naman talaga ng interior dito. Pati na rin ang alfresco dining area nila, lakas maka boss babe. Make sure to take your selfies and tag them on your post. Ayan, may pa-take out na din ako for my loved ones. Thank you for watching, locals!